Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our requirement analysis video, episode number 5 for engineering sciences in mechanical engineering for summer semester master degree courses. Whenever we started this requirement analysis, we had 30 universities. That was the thing that are showing now, because we have put a filter only for summer semester. If it is not summer semester, we have around 68 colleges. Once we finish this all 30, we will also go to another 20-30 colleges for mechanical engineering in engineering sciences for master degree. Once this is finished, then we will also move on to civil engineering, etc. And today it will be episode number 4, and we will be talking about digital factory operational excellence in Hochschule, so Hdbw in Munchen. So in this college we talk about digital factory and operational excellence requirement analysis, episode number 5. And before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis, and also we make videos about how to apply for German university. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, we always go to all DART websites. Then we also look into requirements and registration thingy. What are the requirements that you need to have in order to apply for this particular course, and what are the documents that you need to what are the documents that you need to possess in order to apply for this particular course. Then we will also get to know the deadlines and where to apply. After having all this information, we put it in Excel sheet. Then we also note down the application deadline. When the application deadline starts, we will also make a video on application procedure where we show the step-by-step procedure how to apply. These are the things we cover in our channel. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply, then you always welcome to become a YouTube member, or you can also mail me. Then we can also discuss how we can make sure to have one-on-one session. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we will be talking about digital factory and operational excellence in Hdbw Munchen, and this will be episode number 5. In the overview, you can just see the degree. The degree is Master of Science. Course location is in Munchen. Teaching language English. Language of instruction is completely in 100% English, and you can also write your master thesis in English, so no need to worry. Part-time, full-time, it is full-time possible and also part-time also possible. So both you can do. If you want to do it in full-time, then you can also do complete full-time. If you want to do part-time, then you can also do it. So if you do full-time, then it is 3 semester. If you do part-time, then it is 5 semester. Beginning of semester is both winter and summer semester. Mode of study is 50-50, online on-site, both are there, because most of the people also who do part-time, they can't attend everything. So that's the reason they will have to give the mode of study online also, because they can read the syllabus in online, but they will come to college in order to write the exam whenever the exam is there. Then additional information: the full-time master degree program has a duration of 3 semester, and the part-time master degree program digital factory and operational excellence covers the same course but extends over 5 semester. So that's how it is divided. Then domestic EU people, if you want to apply for this particular course, the deadline is 14th March for summer semester and 30th September for winter semester. But we are not domestic or EU nationals, we are non-EU people. So that's the reason for us it is 15th January for summer semester and 31st July is for winter semester. If it is 15th January and we are already in December, so for sure the application will be open. So you know, after finishing this requirement analysis, what is the 2 video that I'm gonna do. So I will show you how to apply for this particular course and in this particular college. And tuition fees per semester is almost 5,000. So if you want to apply for this particular course, then please make sure that you will be spending around 20,000 euros complete your master thesis, or for your complete masters, because it is around 5,000 euros. 5 4 20 is your course semester fees that you will be paying. And additional information: 790 euro per month for full-time study and 480 euro per month for part-time study. If you calculate this also, which will also counts up to same amount of money, I guess. So that's the reason they have given. And there is no additional fees for domestic EU people. 100 euro registration for non-EU people. This will be your semester contribution that you have to pay. Then combined degree program is not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. Whenever you do the subject of digital factory operational excellence in Hdbw in Munchen, you will be expect to have learn about small changes in encouraging activity participation, close interaction with outstanding professors, then interdisciplinary courses, focus on real world practices. So these are the things that you can yield. But in course details, we will get to know the complete course and how the structure is there, how you will be learning. So in the first semester, you will do business planning, financial and entrepreneurship, business analysis, then optimization processes, big data analytics, business intelligence, work science, agile project management in international project team, production strategy, and manufacturing in global networks. So these are the subjects that you will be doing in first semester, and in second semester you will also do your employee management and change management, learn production and production optimization, digital value chain and smart logistic, project work, global supply chain management, risk management, global procurement sourcing, decision theory, and key performance indicator development. So these are the 2 semester courses or complete theoretical courses that you will do in over the 2 period of 2 semester. And in third semester you will finish up with digital factory planning, process simulation, introduction to cybersecurity, and your master thesis. So your master thesis will be for approximately 20 to 30 ECTS, and your master thesis final exam is nothing but your presentation, which is another word also called as colloquium. Once you finish your colloquium and defend your master thesis, then your degree will be awarded for you. Then international elements, international guest lectures will be always there. Specialist literature in other language, training and intercultural skills are always provided in the college. Then course specific integrated German language course is there, because if you are willing to do complete in English, then it is also suggested in order to find a job afterwards after finishing your degree. It will be mentioned or recommended that if you know at least B1 level of German, then it is easy to find a job. So please make sure if they are giving integrated German language course, please take it and learn at least until B1. Online learning, as I told you, piece of course, the instructor led specific due dates and lecture assignments examination will be always pre-recorded, and usually this is also made for people who are for part-time. So people who can't attend the class regularly, then they can also come here and use the online platform to learn and reread the things again and again. Cost and fundings, as we talked about, the tuition fees is around 4,800 euros or 5,000, including all your registration or semester contribution, everything. So including everything, you will pay around 5,000 to 5,100 as a Bavaria student and in Munich. So with this you will be paying around 20,000 or 22,000 is your complete master degree course structure for you. Then cost of living, they have estimated up to 1,000 or 1,200, and this is the thing, because Munich usually comes under higher tier cities, where you can also see the minimum of 600 euro will be for per month rent in Munich if you don't get in student accommodation. If you're living in outside, then it will be for sure so much costlier, so you have to plan around. So I would say 1,200 will be the approximate amount, but at first year you don't need to worry, because the first year you will be usually blocking the amount, and that amount will be divided into 12 parts and it will be sent to you every month. But if you feel like you need more, then it is always suggested to work as a part-time or work anywhere as a technical, non-technical jobs depending upon your skills. But yeah, after that, after first year, I always suggest to find another job, so that in the second year, based on your job or job contract, they will also extend the visa without any problem. Then funding opportunity within the university, there is no funding opportunity within the university, so we can't help there. Then requirements and registration. So in order to get into this particular course, what are the requirements and registration that you need to have, and what do you have to have? So complete bachelor's degree in industrial engineering, management, production management, logistic management, business informatics, computer science, or mechanical engineering. People who have done the bachelor degree in any of the course, they are eligible to apply with the 210 ECTS. For bachelor degree with 180 ECTS, individual agreements will be made before the start of master degree. So this is nothing but they are expecting 210 ECTS, but if you have 180, 200 ECTS depending upon, so in VTU we will have 200 ECTS. So based on that, they will take a decision how much credit points you have to finish before you finish your master thesis. Usually they will have to tell you like, yeah, one or two subjects you have to finish before you do your master thesis. Then pre-master for bachelor degree obtained outside EU. In case of non-bachelor degree or non-EU bachelor degree, a pre-master is compulsory. 1 semester prep course for academic skill and German language and cultural classes should be there. So there is a pre-master course or pre-master semester that you have to go through, where you have to learn as a 6 semester or a 1 semester course. So this will be individual agreement that will be made by the admission department. So first apply for the thing that you are applying, but if they say okay, you have to do the pre-master compulsory, then you will do it. If they don't say okay, you don't need to do the pre-master, then you can also jump and directly start. But usually they say pre-master is compulsory, so yeah, depending upon your skills, then they will also tell you. However, full recognition is also possible with the matching bachelor degree or more than 3 years work experience. As I told you, if you have full matching bachelor degree, in some of the cases, if they say, okay, your matching bachelor degree is full matching for our bachelor degree, then you can skip the pre-master and directly start your masters. Or if you have around 3 years of experience, then you can also skip in these two criteria. If you don't meet these two criteria, then you have to do pre-master, which is a 1 semester course, so that your course will become 3 semester to 4 semester. That's the thing that they are trying to say. And the English language proficiency is B2, so you need to have at least B2 level of proficiency, which will be 6 and above. Then technical equipment, what and all you need to have in order to finish the degree. The application deadline we already talked about. Domestic we don't need to consider. Non-EU is the 15th January for summer semester and 31st July is winter semester. And we can directly use the online application portal which they have in order to apply for the particular course. And whenever as we are in the application deadline, the next 2 videos I will show you how to apply for this particular course. And numerous possibility of part-time jobs. As soon as you get a student visa, come to Germany, you can also work as a part-time job in either technical, non-technical jobs, and you can also be in a Hdbw under any of the professor. And accommodation, if you get a student accommodation inside Hdbw, then it is good, but they are saying there is no student accommodation, so you have to live in privately. So private, you always, most of the time it will cost more. But yeah, there will be buddy program, welcome event, cultural linguistic preparation, other things which will be available in all colleges. For requirement analysis in digital factory operational excellence in Hdbw Munchen. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in application video part 1 and part 2.